So I'm going to show you what to do when your system is on but it doesn't boot. So there are a few things that can make the system to turn on but cannot boot. So one of the things that can make system to turn on and it cannot boot is either the display or the RAM. So these are the things that you will do if your system is on but does not boot. So follow me as I show you things to do when your system is on. The on light is showing that the system is on but it cannot boot. So you see the system is on, but it doesn't boot. Nothing is displaying on the screen. So look at it. You just turn off the system, turn it off, and then open the system. So use your screwdriver and close the system. First of all, remove the battery. When you remove the battery, you try it again and check if it can on. Okay, it's still doing the same thing. The light is showing but it's not on. The system is not booting. It's not booting. The system is not booting. So it can only be caused by display or RAM. Now you lose the RAM part of the system. You lose the system. You lose the system. Try to check the RAM first. If you check the RAM and it's not the RAM, then you have to check the display. Maybe the display cable shift or something is wrong with the screen. So you lose it. So when you lose it, you remove the two RAM. First of all, remember. So when you lose it, you first of all try to remove the RAM and clean it. So how do you clean the RAM? You either use spirit, methylated spirit, and brush. You use it to wipe the RAM well. Just clean the RAM. And when you are done cleaning the RAM, you will slot it back. Slot the RAM back carefully so that any of the chips will not break. You slot it back carefully and try to test back the system. So when you are done, you couple back the system and test and check if it's turning on. Now we are turning on the system. We are trying to boot it, and the system is booting. It's booting. So congratulations to us. The problem is RAM. So like I said before, the only thing that can cause this is either the RAM or display unit. So the display unit, you have to lose everything, lose the screen, and then slot the display cable back well into position. So when you are done, you turn it off and couple back all the things that you've lost from the system. You couple it back. So once you are done, you just couple back your system. Everything that you have removed, fix it back carefully. Do not lose any knot. Tighten back all the knot that you have removed from the system. So tight all the knots you have removed, and then you boot it. Turn it on. You see the system is now booting. So anytime that you're having such issues, you follow this process. Thank you for watching. See you next time. So you now put all the screws that are required and tighten it back. Make sure that everything is tight accordingly. So when you have tied it, you have to on it again and check. So the system is now back on and good. So thank you for your time. See you next time.